Hi, I'm Tammy. I'm a sales representative at the Shed Company in Mundaring. We specialise in supplying quality garages, patios and sheds. We can help you with your project from the beginning to the end. Back in 2005, my mum and dad started the Shed Company in Mundaring. Working in a family business allows our customers to see that we're trustworthy, loyal and willing to do the hard yards. The reason we do what we do is there's nothing better to see a happy customer smiling after their project and vision is complete. We care about our customers. They become our friends. So pop into store or give us a call and see what we can do for you and your backyard.